Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all are fine. I am also fine. Today I am going to take a class on connectors. Connector describes the relationship between two statements. It is also known as linkers or conjunctions. It join the sentence. There are some differences between connectors and conjunctions, but that is not very important to know. Connectors could be conjunctions, phrase, or adverbs, and there are many adverbs, but all the connectors, it is not important to know for us. We should know the important connectors which you will see all time in your exam or when you learn English. There are some important connectors through which you can make sentences, or you can improve your reading, writing, speaking. So that is why today I am going to show you the important connectors যেগুলো তোমাদের সবসময় কাজে লাগবে. সো কানেক্টরস তুমি যদি বুঝতে চাও তাহলে তোমাকে সেন্টেন্স অর্থাৎ আগের সেন্টেন্স বা পরের সেন্টেন্স ইউ মাস্ট নো প্রপারলি. Without understanding the before sentence and the after sentence, it is very difficult for you to answer. Actually, phrases meaning জানতে হবে ভালোভাবে, then it will be very easy for you to answer. So now come to the point. You see already I have designed the important connectors on my board. You'll see there are many types of connectors. If you know the types of connectors properly here, it will be very easy for you to understand. You see the first, you see the cause connectors. You know already cause means কারণযুক্ত কথা. আমাদের ব্যক্তি জীবনে যেই কারণযুক্ত কথাগুলো আসবে সবসময় আমরা এই কানেক্টরগুলো দিয়ে ইউজ করব. So there are some weak connectors and strong connectors. Those will be also discussed in another class, but today you just get the idea of the important connectors. You see the purpose connectors means উদ্দেশ্যমূলক. আমরা যখনই আমাদের সামনে কোনো উদ্দেশ্যমূলক কথা আসবে তখনই আমরা এই কানেক্টরগুলো দিয়ে বাক্যটা গঠন করতে পারবো. You know the sequential connectors, the result connectors, the contrast connectors, addition connectors, comparison connectors, time connectors, and the condition connectors, manner connectors, correction connectors. There are also some other types of connectors, but you make it screen and you see properly. You try to familiarize yourself with these connectors, and in my next class I will show you how can you answer the question, how can you think which connectors will be used. It will be discussed elaborately in the next class. Thank you very much.